Hey, funny bunnies! Subscribe now! Whoa! What's inside? Open it! What is it? It's Harry the Bunny! Harry is a fireman! Whee! A fire truck! A fireman rides a fire truck! Oh no! A fire! Harry can help! Hooray! The fire is out! What's that? Kitty's stuck. Oh no, it's too high! Hurry, Harry! Harry can help! Hooray! Goodbye, Fireman Harry! Goodbye, Kitty! What's that sound? Open it! It's Harry! Hello, Harry! Harry is wearing a uniform. What color is Harry's uniform? Is it red? Is it brown? Is it green? Is it blue? It's blue! Harry is a policeman! Hey! Come back! Let's see what's inside the box. Wow! It's a police car! A policeman rides a police car. bus can ride very fast. Policemen can help with traffic jams. Harry the policeman can help. You can cross the street safely now. Thank you, Officer Harry. Thank you, Hans. Look at this big box. I wonder what's inside it this time. A bus! My favorite vehicle! All aboard! Doors are closing! Off we go to our next stop. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Beep, 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 beep. Hi there! I'm very busy. Gotta go. Vroom, vroom. Today, I'm a bus driver, and I have so much to do. So many people everywhere are waiting for my bus to take them to where they need to go. I just love my bus. It's big enough to carry so many people. At least 10, or even more. Buses have just a few doors. One at the front near the driver. And another one at the back of the bus, where people can put their luggage. How cool is that? Buses can drive very long distances or just places nearby. Did you hear that? That's my bus's horn. It honks to warn people and other cars to stay out of the way. Honk, honk. I just love it. Hey, how about you wait for my bus at the next stop? I'll come and pick you up, and then we'll go on a trip together. Look at this big box. I wonder what's inside it this time. A helicopter! Awesome! Whee! We're flying high up in the sky! My helicopter can take me anywhere I want. It can stay on the ground. And when I feel like it can shoot right up to the sky. See? Hey! Whee! My helicopter has a long tail and a place for people to sit when they go for a ride. That's where the pilot sits. And guess what else? On top, it has a rotor that spins around really fast. My helicopter is super cool. faster too. It's the best. Bye-bye, funny bunnies. Vroom, vroom. Look at my car. It's super cool. I can drive it forward, and I can drive it backwards. And I can drive it all around. My car is black and shiny. And it has 4 black wheels. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has a steering wheel. You would never guess what my favorite part of this car is. Did you hear that? Beep, beep. It's like music to my ears. My shiny car has headlights as well. They can turn on and off. Bye-bye, funny